Welcome to Market Segmentation and Targeting, a core lesson in our Introduction to Marketing and Sales course for aspiring digital marketers. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to break down a market into smaller groups based on shared characteristics such as demographics, behavior, and needs, and how to target the right audience. We'll blend definitions, storytelling, data sets, and visual aids to bring these concepts to life. Prepare to dive into a world where understanding your audience becomes the first step to successful marketing strategies. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a broad consumer market into subgroups of consumers who have common needs, interests, or characteristics. In this scene, we clarify this key concept by defining segmentation in simple terms. Think of it as slicing a large pie into smaller, more manageable pieces that allow businesses to better address each segment's unique preferences. A diagram illustrating segmentation by demographics, behavior, and needs will help visualize this breakdown. This definition lays the foundation for how segmentation informs targeted marketing strategies. Understanding market segmentation is crucial because it allows businesses to tailor their products and messaging to specific groups, ultimately increasing customer satisfaction and conversion rates. In this segment, we explain why segmentation is vital to the success of any marketing campaign. By focusing on specific subgroups, companies can optimize resource allocation and create more relevant, personalized communications. A brief chart showing segmentation benefits, like increased efficiency and higher ROI, will visually reinforce this point, demonstrating how pinpointing customer needs leads to smarter marketing investments. One of the primary bases for segmentation is demographics, which includes age, gender, income, education, and geographic location. In this scene, we discuss how understanding demographic details enables marketers to tailor their products and campaigns. For instance, a company might design different messaging for young adults versus senior citizens. A simple diagram will illustrate how demographic factors segment the market, highlighting the differences and overlaps among various groups. This clarity helps you appreciate the role demographics play in crafting effective marketing strategies. Behavioral segmentation focuses on customer actions and interactions, such as purchase behavior, brand loyalty, and product usage patterns. In this scene, we break down how analyzing consumer behavior can reveal preferences and trends that drive buying decisions. By understanding behavior, marketers can anticipate needs and craft timely messages. A flowchart or diagram displaying behavior-based segments will be shown, clarifying the process from data collection to actionable insights. This approach demonstrates that understanding what customers do is as important as who they are. Beyond demographics and behavior, segmentation by needs and psychographics delves into the values, lifestyles, and preferences of consumers. Here, we discuss how motivations and personal beliefs create distinct market segments. This method enables marketers to design campaigns that resonate on an emotional level. A visual illustration, perhaps a Venn diagram, will display how needs and psychographics overlap with other segmentation criteria. This nuanced approach provides deeper insights into customer motivations, ensuring that marketing messages speak directly to the heart of each target group. Segmenting a market involves several systematic steps: data collection, analysis, segmentation, and profiling. In this scene, we walk you through the process of identifying distinct groups within a larger market. You'll learn how to gather relevant data, analyze customer characteristics, and create detailed profiles that guide targeted messaging. A step-by-step diagram on screen will outline this process, highlighting each phase clearly. This structured approach helps you understand how data-driven decisions are made and why segmentation is integral to effective marketing strategies. Once a market is segmented, the next step is targeting, selecting the most attractive segments to focus your marketing efforts. In this scene, we define targeting and explain its significance. Targeting involves evaluating each segment's potential and aligning it with your business goals. A comparative chart on screen will highlight factors like segment size, profitability, and competitive intensity. By choosing the right segment, businesses can optimize their marketing mix for better engagement and conversion rates. This clear focus enables tailored strategies that resonate more deeply with the intended audience. Not every segment is created equal. In this scene, we discuss key factors to consider when selecting a target market, such as market size, growth potential, accessibility, and compatibility with your brand. Through a narrative example of a business refining its target audience, we illustrate how these factors guide decision-making. A diagram or list on screen will summarize the criteria, providing a practical framework for evaluating market opportunities. This guidance helps you understand how to choose the segments that promise the highest returns and the best strategic fit. Let's explore a real-life case study where a company successfully segmented its market and targeted a niche audience. In this example, a retail brand identified distinct customer groups based on lifestyle and spending habits, tailoring its product lines and marketing campaigns accordingly. We'll discuss the measurable improvements in engagement and sales that followed. A before and after chart will be shown to emphasize the impact of precise segmentation. This case study demonstrates how well-executed segmentation and targeting can transform a business's marketing outcomes and drive competitive advantage. Data sets are the backbone of effective segmentation and targeting. In this scene, we delve into how marketers use data to identify trends and patterns within their audiences. You'll see examples of data dashboards and visualizations that illustrate customer demographics, behaviors, and purchasing trends. A sample dataset is shown on screen, emphasizing how raw data is transformed into actionable insights. This analytical approach reinforces that robust data analysis is essential for making informed segmentation decisions that lead to more effective targeting. In today's digital world, numerous online tools and websites provide valuable resources for market segmentation and targeting. Here, we reference a few authoritative sites that offer segmentation analytics, consumer insights, and industry benchmarks. A series of annotated website screenshots will appear on screen, guiding you through key features of these tools. These resources not only enhance your theoretical knowledge, but also offer practical applications for real-world marketing. This scene encourages you to explore these platforms to refine your segmentation strategies further. Imagine a startup that transformed its fortunes by precisely targeting a previously overlooked customer segment. In this scene, we narrate the story of how the company identified a niche market, tailored its offerings, and ultimately achieved remarkable growth. Through this engaging narrative, you'll see how targeting the right audience can lead to breakthrough success. Visual cues, such as a timeline or storyboard, highlight key turning points in the company's journey. This story reinforces that effective segmentation and targeting can be the catalyst for innovation and sustainable business success. This scene focuses on the power of visual aids in understanding segmentation outcomes. We present various charts and diagrams that showcase how different segments perform against key metrics like engagement, conversion, and revenue. By examining these visualizations, you gain clarity on how targeted strategies translate into measurable results. A multi-chart dashboard is shown on screen, summarizing segmentation effectiveness across several dimensions. This graphical approach not only simplifies complex data, but also highlights the tangible benefits of a well-planned segmentation strategy. Let's recap the essential concepts of market segmentation and targeting covered in this lesson. We defined segmentation and targeting, explored the criteria and process involved, and examined real-life examples and data sets. You learned how demographics, behavior, and needs form the basis for segmentation, and how careful analysis can pinpoint the most profitable target markets. A bullet point infographic will appear on screen, summarizing the key takeaways. This summary reinforces that understanding these concepts is crucial for crafting effective, data-driven marketing strategies. In our final scene, we highlight the practical benefits of mastering market segmentation and targeting. With this knowledge, you're empowered to tailor your marketing campaigns, increase customer engagement, and ultimately drive higher revenue. Whether you're launching a new product or refining your current strategy, understanding your audience's nuances ensures more impactful communication. A dynamic video montage on screen shows businesses thriving through targeted marketing efforts. Embrace these insights as they pave the way for smarter decision-making and sustained business growth in the competitive digital marketplace.